Welcome to the checkout guide. Today I will show you how to make a Shopify store mobile friendly using Sidekick. So if you're new to this channel, please subscribe, like, share, comment and press the bell icon. Let's get started. First click on Sidekick. Then we can ask how to make it mobile friendly. So it is processing. So here it give simple steps. Use a responsive theme, preview and adjust, optimize your images, etc. So let's start. First, make sure your theme is mobile friendly. So go to online store, then click on themes. Here we can check the Shopify themes are already mobile ready, so you don't need to install anything. So now check how your store looks on mobile. Here we can click the mobile icon. Now you can see your store is in mobile view. We can fix the layout of mobile. Now adjust layout for better mobile experience. Here we can change any text, colors, topography, etc. All we can change. Size, line height, all we can change. So simple design work best on mobile. So you can also open your store link on mobile to view on phone. Browse like customer, open product, add to cart, then go to checkout. Check if everything is easy to use. For optimize the image, it is very important. Large image slow down mobile speed. So before uploading, use smaller size like 100 to 200 KB for mobile view. Use JPG format. This makes your store load fast. So that's it. Fast loading and simple design are the most important for mobile users. This is how you can make your Shopify store mobile friendly using Sidekick. So if you like this video, please subscribe, like, share, comment and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.